Excuse me. Could you please stop tapping your leg? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, now you're taking deep breaths. Could you stop doing that? Thank you. Could you not have cleared your throat earlier? Could you not have just blew your nose or clear your throat earlier? All right, well,